Welcome to a peek at the TriCloud Nexus platform. In a series of videos, I will guide you through the platform and show you how to use it for a wide range of use cases within industrial IoT. In this video, I will show you how to set up data collection from technical installations in your factory, also called assets. I will show you the asset hierarchy from where I will define a new data point, also known as a tag, and finally show you how to deploy this to an edge device using the TriCloud Nexus platform, so you can gain insights into your assets, the first step in the Industry 4.0 journey. To illustrate this, I will use the fictional company called Mentastic. Mentastic is a chewing gum manufacturer that has just started on their digitalization journey. Their initial goal for data collection is focused on the start of the manufacturing process, as you can see here, which is the making of gum base. Gum base is the initial form of chewing gum before flavor is added and the tablets are coated. The gum base process looks like this, starting with various raw materials going into a mixer which heats the material for about half an hour. Then it is pumped into an underwater pelletizer, cooling it and turning it into small pellets. Finally, the output is weighed and ending with a quality control of the product. So Mentastic wants to optimize the process time of the gum base production, but without compromising the elasticity of the chewing gum, which is also known as viscosity. The goal is to get as close to 520,000 centipoise in viscosity as possible, but in the shortest amount of time. In order to analyze this, Mentastic first needs to identify which measurements they need to collect data from that can impact this process. In this case, they have identified to collect the following data points: speed, torque, and temperature from the mixer, a status whether the heating element on the mixer is currently running or not, speed and torque from the pump, as well as the elasticity of the gum base from the laboratory. So let's see how TriCloud Nexus can support Mentastic to gain insights into the gum base process. We start by modeling the data points. Here we have the TriCloud Nexus portal where we can set up data collection for Mentastic. We start by going over to the designer and have a look at the assets. What we see here is an asset hierarchy for Mentastic, describing their overall manufacturing process with sites in 3 different countries. For our purpose here, they need to collect data from their site in Denmark called Fredericia. Here you can see the different production processes described with all the assets involved in each step of the process. And we want to gain insights into the gum base production. If you have a look at the mixer, we have already configured 4 out of the 5 tags that we are interested in. We just need the mixer temperature. To get this information, we need to connect to an OPC UA server installed in the factory. So here we can see that it's already been configured. You can add other data sources for your sites if you need to collect data from other systems. OPC UA is a commonly used protocol in manufacturing processes, but there are other industry protocols that TriCloud Nexus supports. And in case you have a specialized one, we have SDKs that lets you create your own in no time. Let's have a look. So here you can select from a range of built-in data sources or use custom ones from the module store. So we determined that the data source is in place. The next step is to add the tag that uses the OPC UA server. I go to the mixing asset under the gum base process and create a new analog tag and give it a name. Then I specify where I want to read my data from, and I select the OPC UA server. Then I have to specify the source information from that server in order to read the data when we deploy it. We can also configure other information here that impacts our data collection. We can select how data is ingested to cloud, either as batch files uploaded on a recurring schedule, known as the cold path, or streamed directly to the cloud over the hot path, which is faster but more costly. We can also add context to our collected data by adding metadata. In this case, we want to specify the unit of measure for the tag, which is temperature in Celsius degrees. Then we want to save the changes, give it a comment, and save the changes. The next step is to deploy these changes to an edge device at the site in Fredericia. So, to deploy the asset hierarchy to an edge device, we go to the management of devices that are connected to TriCloud Nexus. I can do this under Configurations. Here we can see all the edge devices that are connected to TriCloud Nexus. And this device, Mentastic Edge 03 Fredericia, is installed in the Danish factory and has connectivity to the OPC UA server containing the information that we need. So we start by creating a new configuration for the device. This is basically a desired configuration for how our device should run after we click deploy. I then go to the asset hierarchy and specify that I want to deploy Mentastic in its latest version, and I want to deploy the Danish factory setup to this device. I then save it. If we look at the modules, then it shows all the modules that will be deployed to the edge device. These modules are used to connect to various data sources. To deploy it, we simply click Deploy, say OK, and now here in the corner we can see that the deployment has completed successfully. This means that the edge device has received the deployment request and is now downloading the modules, starting them up, connecting to the data sources, and will start collecting the data points and send them to the cloud. So I just showcased you an example of how to use TriCloud Nexus to set up data collection from assets in a manufacturing process. The next step is to gain insights from the data that has been collected. And to learn how to do this, watch our video on gaining insights, which you will find on our YouTube channel and on our website. Here you can also watch our other videos to learn more about TriCloud Nexus and to book a demo. Remember to follow TriCloud on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.